Hey there, my friends. Susan here with Pumpkin Hill Stampers. I have Stampin' Project number 74 for you today. We're going to craft with the Stargazing DSP, and I've paired it with the Tahitian Tide background cardstock. Now, we're going to use a piece of scrap DSP, so I cut this one to be 4 3/4 by 3 1/2. Then I stamped the sentiment with the Enduring Beauty stamp set, and I heat embossed that with white emboss. Next, we're going to use the Adoring Hearts hybrid folder. So a hybrid folder is an embossing folder with coordinating dies. So first I open the folder and put the dies in position inside. Then I take my DSP section and I decide which heart I want. Then I run it through my Stampin' Cut emboss machine and I come out with this beautiful embossed die cut heart. So these are the parts and pieces for our project, and you can get all the details on the mini tutorial. Just use the subscription link below. So to start, we're going to fold and crease the Tahitian Tide card with our bone folder. Then with our liquid adhesive, we're going to add the DSP panel right to the center of the card. Next, I'm going to add the sentiment along the bottom. It's a little bit wider than the DSP piece, so it just kind of brackets it. And then next we have the heart add-on. So the heart gets put on with dimensionals. Then I decided to use 2 Tahitian Tide in color pearls on the bottom for a little bit of embellishment. So I hope you liked today's project. Please give me comments below. It's always simple and easy to do some stamping, and I'd love to know what you guys are thinking. So again, you can subscribe here to the channel, leave me a comment. You can help support me by shopping with me at stampinup.com. Just pick me as your demo. And if you have any questions, just reach out by email or visit my website, www.pumpkinhillstampers.com. Thanks. Bye-bye.